Welcome back, students, in the series of online classes. In our previous class, we were discussing the chapter Area of Triangle by Heron's formula, and we have discussed up to question number 3 from exercise 12.1. So, in today's class, we are continuing from the question number 4 of exercise 12.1. So question number 4 is find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Now children, as you can see in this question, that two sides of a triangle 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter are given, and the perimeter of triangle is 42 centimeter is also given. As you know that a triangle has three sides and their perimeter is the sum of all three sides. So let's see the solution of this question. We have perimeter equals to 42 centimeter. So as we know that the perimeter of triangle means sum of its all three sides. The two sides were 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So 18 plus 10 plus length of the third side will be equal to the 42 centimeter, that is perimeter of the triangle. Now simplifying this thing, so length of third side will be equal to 42 minus 10 plus 18 will become 28, and after subtracting 28 from 42 we will have 14 centimeter. Hence 14 centimeter is the length of the third side. In this way we obtained all three sides of the triangle. Now we have to find S which is semi perimeter, that is half of perimeter. So S can be written, S will be equal to half of perimeter, that is perimeter by 2, and the perimeter of the triangle were 42 centimeter given in the question, so it will be 42 by 2. It will go 21 times, 42 can be cancelled by 2 by 21 times, so we will have 21 as its semi perimeter, 21 centimeter. Now applying area of triangle by Heron's formula, we have S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root, where A, B, C are three sides of the triangle. So now we have 21 centimeter as the S. So substitute the value for S, A, B and C. So 21 into 21 minus 18 into 21 minus 10 into 21 minus 14. Now 21 into 21 minus 18 will become 3, 21 minus 10 will become 11, and 21 minus 14 will become 7. So it will be, now to make the pair of the numbers lying in the square root, we will have 21 can be written as 7 into 3, 3 as it is, into 11 into 7. Now we have that there is 7s are in pair, 3s are in pair. So we take out 1 7 and 1 3 from that, and under root 11 will lie inside the square root. On further multiplying it, we will have 21 under root 11. Now you find the square root of 11 and substitute here and multiply it by 21. You will get the required solution. Now the next question, students, that is question number 5th. Staying says that sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12 is to 17 is to 25, and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. This is also a very simple question. In this question, the sides of a triangle are given in the ratio form, that is 12 is to 17 is to 25, and the perimeter of triangle is given 540. Now, first of all, we have to find its sides, and thereafter applying Heron's formula, we can get its area. Let's see how it can be. Since the ratio of the sides of triangle are given in the ratio, so let the sides of triangle be the multiple of x, that is 12x, 17x and 25x. So we have the perimeter equals to 540 centimeter. So now perimeter equals to sum of its all three sides, that is 12x plus 17x plus 25x, and that is equal to the perimeter 540. On adding them together, we have 54x equals to 540. On further solving, x equals to 540 by 54. So 540 will go by 54 by 10 times. So we have got the value of x as 10. Hence the three sides of triangle were 12x, 17x and 25x. And now we have obtained the value of x. So from here we got the length of the three sides of the triangle. That is substituting the value of x in 12x. So 12x equals to 12 into 10, that is 120 centimeter is the first side. Second side is 17x, that is 17 into 10, that is 170 centimeter second side. And 25x equals to 25 into 10, that is 250 centimeter is third side. Now we got the three sides of the triangle and we were given perimeter of the triangle. So now we have to find the value of S. S is equal to perimeter by 2, and perimeter were 540 by 2. On solving it, we have got 270 as the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Now applying Heron's formula for finding the area of the triangle. So area of triangle will be equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C by Heron's formula. Now we got the value of S as 270 and A, B, C are sides of the triangle. So value of A is 120 and value of B is 170, and value of C is 250. Now substituting the value of S, A, B and C in this formula. So we have 270 into 270 minus 120 into 270 minus 170 into 270 minus 250. On further solving it, we have 270 into 150 into 100 into 20. Now we are trying to make the pair of the numbers lying within the square root. So 270 can be written like 9 into 30. 9 into 30 is equal to 270. And 150 can be written like 30 into 5. 30 into 5 equals to 150. And 100 can be written like 5 into 20. That is 100. And 20 as it is. Now we know that the square root of 9 is 3. So put 3. And 30 is in pair. So take out 130. And 5 is also in pair. So take out 15. And 20 is also in pair. So take out 120. On multiplying these numbers, 3 into 30 into 5 into 20, we got 9000 centimeter square, which is required area of the triangle. Now our next question is question number 6. Question number 6 says that an isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. In this question, this question, the triangle is given which is isosceles. It means that it has their two sides equal, and the perimeter of triangle is given 30 centimeter, and two equal sides are given 12 centimeter. Now we have to find its area. Students, we can find the area of this triangle in two ways. First, we will find the area of this triangle by applying Heron's formula, and thereafter I will show you to find the area of this triangle, this isosceles triangle, by using the special isosceles triangle formula to calculate the area of isosceles triangle. So first we will see the area of this triangle by applying Heron's formula only. Here, students, in this question, perimeter of the triangle was given 30 centimeter. As you know that perimeter of triangle is sum of its three sides, and this is isosceles triangle, so its two sides will be equal, and in question it is given that equal sides is of 12 centimeter each. Now 12 plus third side equals to 30 centimeter, which is equal to the perimeter. So children, third side will be equal to 30 minus 12 plus 12 will be equal to 24. On subtracting it, we will have 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. So now we got the three sides of the triangle. Two sides were equal, that is of 12 centimeter each, and third side now we got, that is of 6 centimeter. So since all three sides of the triangle are known, So now it will be easier to apply the Heron's formula. So applying Heron's formula, first let us assume the value of S. S equals to perimeter by 2. That is equal to, perimeter was 30, which is to divide by 2. On further solving it, 30 when divided by 2, we will have the value 15 centimeter. This is the value of S. Now, applying the Heron's formula, which you know, area of triangle by Heron's formula is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root. Now here in this question, we have the value of S is 15 centimeter and two sides were equal, that is of 12 centimeter is the value of A and B, and third side was 6 centimeter. So value of C will be 6 centimeter. Now substituting the value of S, A, B and C in the formula. So we have 15 into 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 6. Now simplifying it, we have 15 into 15 minus 12 will be equal to 3. 15 minus again 12 will be equal to 3. And 15 minus 6 will be equal to 9. So on further making the pair, here 3 are in pair and we know that the square root of 9 is 3. So we have 3 into 3 and 15 is not a perfect square number. So it will be lie under the root. So 3 into 3 into under root 15. And hence that is equal to 9 into 9 under root 15 centimeter square is the required answer. Students, you are advised to find the square root of 15 and substitute the value here and multiply it by 9. You will get the aggregate answer of this question. Another alternate method of solving this type of problem, which is based on the direct formula of finding the area of isosceles triangle, which I have explained to you earlier. By applying this method, let's see how this question can be solved. Children, perimeter of isosceles triangle was given 30 centimeter and each of its equal sides were given 12 centimeter, which you know perimeter was 30 centimeter and each of its equal sides were 12 centimeter, which is given in the question. Now as you know that the perimeter of a triangle is equal to the sum of its three sides. So we can have 12 plus 12 plus third side equals to 30. That is the perimeter of the triangle. So from here we can find the third side of the triangle. That is will be equal to 30 minus 24, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we are going to apply the area of isosceles triangle. As you know children, that area of isosceles triangle is equal to b by 4 under root 4a square minus ba square, where b is the base of isosceles triangle and a is the equal sides of an isosceles triangle. Remember, b is the base of isosceles triangle and a is the equal sides of isosceles triangle. So remember its formula, that area of isosceles triangle is equal to b by 4 under root 4a square minus pa square. So now substitute the value of a and b in this expression. We have b equals to 6 centimeter. So we have 6 by 4 under root 4, and we have 12 is equal sides, that is a. So 4 into 12 square minus the value of b was 6, that is 6 square. Now we have 6 by 4 under root 4 into 12 square is, when you multiply 12 into 12, you will have 144. So it will become 4 into 144 minus 6 square equals to 36. On further solving it, we have 6 by 4, and when 4 is multiplied with 144, you will got 576 minus 36. Now when you subtract 36 from 576, you will have 520. So we have 6 by 4 under root 540. Now 6 and 4 are even numbers, so it will go by 2. So divide it by 2. So now we have 2 3 are 6 and 2 2 are 4. So we have 3 by 2 under root. Now factorize 540. So 540 can be written like this: 6 into 6 into 15. When you multiply it all together, you will got 540. 6 into 6, 36, and 36 into 15 equals to 520. Now 3 by 2 into 6, since 6 are in pair, so take out 1 6 outside the root, and 15 will lie under the root itself. So now 2 from 2, 6 will go 3 times. So 2 3 are 6. That is, finally we got 9 under root 15 centimeter square is the required area of the triangle. So hence, students, you have seen that this type of question can be solved by both methods, either by applying Heron's formula or by applying the area of isosceles triangle. So you can do by any method, which one is convenient to you. So children, I hope that all of you have understand the video which you have seen, and if you have problem, then you should ask and keep on revising more and more question and practice more and more such type of question to get over command of this type of question. Whenever, if writings are not clearly visible, then I suggest you to listen the words carefully and note down yourself, and thereafter I assure that you will be able to understand the topics clearly. Okay, thank you.